Today I'm about to show you Suno AI advanced music prompting tips for generative AI. This is going to be pretty easy. Now what we need to do first of all is you can see we need to head over to our create section, and then you can see simply head over to our simply cross this. Okay, so we are now on the simple section. Now we need to simply tailor a song, right? So the best way is you can see introduce some of the instruments that you want to hear in your song into the prompt. Like for example, we have our sax song, which is basically a saxophone, and let's just dice that again. So it's gonna be a mystery rock drum songs about skipping class. So we can see it is introducing the instrument. So similarly, you can choose if you want it to be instrumental only. You can do that, or you can simply add your lyrics or audio. So that is going to be tailoring the best and customized song for you. So these are some of the tips, or if you want to learn something even more advanced, simply let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.